Up. It's called Badge versus Badge. And we have representatives from the California Department of Corrections, Folsom PD, CHP with us this morning. And thanks for having you guys. Thanks for coming in, everybody. We were told you were going to be in uniform. Cody Stark is very disappointed that we don't have men in uniform.
Yes.
You can tell by his face he's devastated.
A little awkward. Okay, so one of the first live shots I did when I came to Good Day Sacramento was the Badge versus Badge boxing, and somebody rung my bell so much I can't even remember the dude's name. So if you guys find him, let me know. He was a correctional officer. He's a big guy, and I can't even say my middle name anymore. So tell us about the event. What's it like?
Yeah, somebody grab the mic there and tell us about this coming up.
It's May 21st. It's Badge versus Badge. It's law enforcement, firefighters, any peace officer can compete in this event, and it's to raise money for 4 different charities: the American Red Cross, the Fallen Firefighters, Correctional Officers Foundation, and the Law Enforcement Memorial.
Wonderful. And how many years have you been doing this?
This is my first year doing it.
So you know, are you getting in the ring?
No. I used to fight, and since I stopped fighting, this is my way of kind of still being involved in boxing.
There you go. So, plus, you know, since you used to fight, it wouldn't be fair.
That's
right, guys?
He used to fight. Now he's just a lover. That's what he says. Now he's just a lover.
Now he's just a lover. Well, thanks very much for coming in. We appreciate y'all coming in this morning and letting us know about that. We'll put more information about that event on our website, gooddaysacramento.com. Look for show information on the upper left of the home screen.
Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. All right. Ready. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay. All right, ready. 20 seconds. Oh. And that'll be it. Ladies and gentlemen, tune in for streaming video for today's show. Go to Badge versus Badge. I'm going to go throw up now.